Today I will show how to buy shares of Olvi Oyj, ticker OLVAS.HE, which trades on CBOE EU. Olvi is a Finnish beverage company known for beers and soft drinks. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OLVAS.HE to find the listing. Select the result that corresponds to Olvi Oyj on CBOE EU to open its page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the instrument. Make sure the listing shows Olvi Oyj and the OLVAS.HE ticker before proceeding. Click the Investor Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at the next available session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.